So, the last day of the sale is here from Vastram, the 8th anniversary sale. This is the last day. Today is 28th of February, and we'll be having a couple of videos which will have giveaways also, as we promised. And for all the other 3 days, winners will be announced today to how much ever you have purchased. Then this is a set of cotton sarees for which we are going to give a semi-linen as a giveaway saree. This is a pretty brown color semi-linen saree with digital prints on beautiful one. This was actually priced at around 2550 rupees. I'll just open the saree at the end. So the giveaway, the freebie happens with the number of sales that's happening. I'll just open up the sale giveaway saree. This is the free saree that will go with the lucky logo to the lucky winner of this lot of cotton ikat sarees. Summer is coming up. Cotton is in demand, and Vastram has come up with interesting cotton ikat cotton sarees for you. And this is the beautiful semi-linen digital printed giveaway saree. The winner would be announced end of the day, all the 3 days, because the first day winner has been announced, yes, first one lot. Other whichever videos we have made, video number 1 to 10, those videos, the giveaway sarees will be winners will be announced. That's the blouse of this digital printed semi-linen saree, and that's the giveaway saree for this lot of ikat cottons. Pretty color, that's the giveaway saree, and the lucky winner will be announced end of the day. This is summer. March has already come in. Just another couple of hours for March means the Ratha Shabdami has already happened, the sun's transition has already happened, and the summer is already peeped in. So then that's the sari. Cotton is the best wear for the summer. This is a cotton ikat sari. It's a kind of double ikat weaving, very pretty. That's the pallu and the body. This is the blouse. It's got a blouse also. We're giving attached contrast and similar kind of blouses. 3,300 is the price. Turn around. It's got beautiful weavings. It's all completely woven cotton, nice feel, fall, and a impressive material cottons. This cotton basically is, and a corporate collection. Just wear, easy to wash, daily wash collection from Vastram. This is 3,200. White and blue combination. Sari number 1, 3,300. Now comes sari number 2, which is red and nice Rama green. That's the palla part. Completely woven, hand woven ikat cotton. Have soft, folly, and comfortable. That is the blouse that we're going to give for the sari. Double side border woven. The combination is quite interesting, and that's the border, that's the body, that's the top border, that's the blouse. Pretty color. As I told you, these when you get them in hand, you will love the fabric. That's 2 for you, 3,300. This is 3 for you, white and green. My favorite color for summer. Because such a cool breezy feel you get when you wear light colors. It's kind of a creamy white, and that's a green border, and in contrast blouse, as in the body color matching has been given for this, because generally cotton sarees do not come with blouses. We try mix match and give you blouses along, so that you don't need to go in search of one after buying a product from Vastram. So this is saree number 3, 3,300. Now comes saree number 4, the favorite red and black combination with a red color blouse, a palla in white, completely woven. Not to miss that beautiful weave over there. That's saree number 4 for you, 3,300. Kind of an orangish red blouse has been given in combination. If you have a red blouse, use this blouse as a mix and match for some other sari, but without giving blouse, it doesn't suit the requirement of the client. So we've gone in for a mix and match combination of an orangish red blouse. This is sari number 5 for you, 3,300. Black blouse given, palla white, nice bootas, triangular bootas woven, and the entire sari is so classy. That's the blouse, is nice wavy design on the blouse as well. Pretty collection. That's the entire sari lot view. Beautiful. Sari number 5, 3,300. Sari number 4, nice navy blue with 6. Sari number 6, navy blue and red combination. This is also another fantastic, fabulous combination. That blouse is going to be the one that's kept near. Oh wow. Summer up collection. Amma, idu mele adu keelana, adu kelage idu melena. Ade melena. Okay. So the entire saree is like this. Saree number 6, 3,300. Cottons are at the best, and the quality is the most comfortable on earth. I love cottons. Summer and cottons are friends, and here you go from Vastram, a friendly video that's coming up for you. This is saree number 7, a cream and an orange combination with a black woven. Every weaving is a masterpiece in cottons, and beat any saree. But this sometimes, you feel like something special has happened in a saree. These cottons are my favorites, all-time favorites, and they give such a happy feel. Orange with elephant motifs woven both, on the border. The body has got nice polka dots, kind of zebra. Which animal does it have? I'm not so sure, but it got a nice animal cheetah print kind. But the body color is white. That is, this is 9 upper. 8. Saree number 8, a black and a maroon. Wow, look at this, yeah. This border is so fascinating. That's the pallu. That's the blouse contrast kept at the side. And that's the entire saree for you. Pallu to the right, body to the left, and the border peacocks with black feathers. And that's the entire classy collection. Classy piece, in fact. Very, very pretty. Happy to wear. Cottons are here with Vastram for the summer. Enjoy summer wearing all these happy collections from us. Now again, a light color, because cotton summer means lighter tones. Yes, this mustard yellow and mango yellow combination. The blouse is given in light of kind of tint of mustard yellow. The pallu is mango yellow, and the body has double side korvai borders, and the entire saree has got some nice weavings all through, as though they look printed. These are beautifully, very talented weaving has happened. That's saree number 9. Now comes the last saree of this set, saree number 10, the blue beauty, light grey with a blue, ink blue combination. That's the entire saree that opens up. To the left is the pallu, and the blouse is gone with multicolor zigzag weaving, and that's also hand woven. That's a hand woven beauty. Yes, mesmerizing saree. This one is also the last set of this saree of this video, which has got cotton ikat, double ikat weaving, 3,300. Pretty color. This grey and blue combination is must to have, and a fresh combo, and a very light looking at a light noted color, I must say. So very pretty. The giveaway saree will be given to the lucky draw winner who buys the saree from this lot. Okay, so happy shopping from Vastram. Bye, take care.